The secret of putting stones in a bottle. Put some stones in a plastic bottle and you're never gonna have this problem again. You guys won't believe what this trick can do. After I knew about it, I never had this problem again. Mobile service providers don't want you to know this. To start, you're gonna need a 2-liter plastic bottle. Many people just throw away plastic bottles like this one without knowing about this amazing trick. After learning about this, I don't throw it away anymore. Now, using a marker, let's go ahead and draw a rectangle on the front part. And also mark a circle on the top section. Now listen up, because I'm about to show you guys how this is gonna blow your mind. Now with the scissors, let's cut off this rectangle we made, just like I'm doing here. And don't worry too much about cutting it perfectly. And folks, I have taught this trick to my relatives who live far from the city, and they thank me a lot. They always had trouble with this, and didn't know what to do about it. Because also mobile service providers didn't bother to solve the problem either. In big cities, you won't have this problem. Here I heated a screwdriver to make a hole where I marked the circle. Once that's done, go ahead and put the stones in the bottle. You don't need tons of it, just enough until it reaches a little below the cut we made. And then you can add some sand as well. And this trick not only works for people in the countryside, but also for people who live in capitals and big cities as well. It's simply incredible what this trick can do, and few people know about it. If you have folks in the countryside or living far away, this simple tip can help them a lot. After putting the sand and stones in the bottle, you need to hang it above the ground level. Here I'll hang it on a wall. And now you must be curious, wondering what this is for. In many places, lack of mobile service is a common thing. But with just a bottle with stones and sand, we are able to make an incredible homemade mobile service antenna. That's right. Just put the phone inside the bottle and wait a few seconds. This is absolutely amazing and boosts the signal somewhat. Now you can browse the internet, make calls, and watch your favorite videos. So guys, this is a really cool tip. Don't forget to try this at home. I'm sure you're gonna love the result.